everyone, myself Rajpira Kaur and you are watching News Moment English channel. Welcome to this channel. Have a look on this breaking news. Reaction on Budget 2021 on 1st Feb. Nirmala Sitharaman President paperless budget which was live on most of the channel. Let us have some reaction on the budget. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that this budget will bring a lot of positive changes in industries, investor and infrastructure sector, calling it historical. Mr. Modi said the vision of self-reliance can be seen in the budget. He said that proactive budget which focused on health and wellness will help all. Mr. Modi said that budget will also granted employment opportunity for youth. The Prime Minister said several changes have been made which is said to help worth and job creation in the country. He said this budget has categorically made announcement to ease and make the life of women better. Reaction of TMC India's first paperless budget is also 100% visionless budget. Theme of the fake budget is Sell India. TMC spokesperson Devar O'Brien said railways sold, airports sold, ports sold, insurance sold, PSU 23 sold. O'Brien claimed common people and farmers were ignored, adding that the budget would make the rich richer and the poor poorer. Reaction of Communist Party of India. The Communist Party of India CPI on Monday criticized the union budget, claiming it was pro-corporate and big business and has nothing for the poor. The budget opened up agricultural, insurance sector and everything for foreign direct investment. FDI, Party General Secretary D. Raja said, adding a fitting reply would be given for the anti-people budget. Of Congress Union Budget 2021 invoked a strong reaction from members of the Congress Party who claimed Sitharaman's budgetary address to be obvious of economic decline in the country, asserting that the union budget was a letdown like never before. The Congress on Monday claimed that it will unveil soon and described the imposition of cess on petrol and diesel in the budget as visual fact against the thousand. Motion Open Scholarship Test for Class 7 to 12 students get up to 50% scholarship. Their location is Durgapur. The dedication made ECL CMD proud to be the best CEO, understanding the meaning, natural extent, and importance of human resource management. Mr. Prem Sagar Mishra, Chairman cum Managing Director CMD of Eastern Coalfield Limited (ECL), took the mission of metaphysical initiative to sharpen his idea. Due to the all-round development of the company, it has become a subject of administration and study among the intellectual message and prestigious organizations of India. Ravi. Ravi Mittal, General Secretary of Cement Manufacturer Welfare Association of West Bengal. Government has focused on manufacture sector alone. It has declared 1.97 lakh crore production linked incentive for 5 years. Government is banking on organized sector which provides only 10% employment opportunity. Unorganized sector which provide employment to rest has been ignored as no relief or concern has more been extended to this segment of important. Budget has ignored to empower consumer with more buying power. If demand is not lifted, all effort will have no impact on economy. Only corporate and agricultural sectors seem beneficial out of budget. Budget and retails who were previously ignored during announcement of stimulus package got disappointed as budget could not give any relief to this sector. Neither tax rate on partnership firm and LLP which we demanded at par with companies not any benefit in bank interest has been extended by newly interested provision on ITC claim. A good money will be blocked in ITC if supplier fails to file his GSTR1. Some provision in income tax will give relief to all business across the segment trades and relief except India's in benefit from Atmanirbhar Bharat by an outline of 64,180 crore over next 6 years. Overall, this budget has disappointed middle class population including retailer and trade of nation. COVID-19 vaccination instead initial vaccination of COVID-19 has been started from 1 to 2021 at Central Hospital Kalla of Eastern Coalfield Limited. The first dose of COVID-19 vaccine was given to health professionals as per the guidelines of the Ministry of Health. This vaccination camp will be completed in a phased manner. The entire ECL family will be vaccinated with COVID 19, giving priority to health worker and safety person. 200 vaccination have been administratively daily. Asansol Srishti organize eye checkup camp and contract searching project for the minibus driver of Asansol division near Chitra Mode. Dignitaries present were Dr. Debashish Banerjee, Secretary Dr. Subhashish Chatterjee, President and other members. Swami Somananda Ji, Secretary of Asansol Ramakrishna Mission, inaugurated the program.
ठीक है। हमारा जो ऑर्गेनाइजेशन है ये नाम है आसनसोल सृष्टि। इट इज़ ए सोशल वॉलंटियर ऑर्गेनाइजेशन। ओके सर। 4 ईयर्स से चल रहा है, लेकिन मेरा टीम काम कर रहा है लास्ट 8 ईयर्स। ओके सर। पहले कोई इंटरनेशनल क्राफ्ट्स के साथ जुड़ा हुआ था, उसको हम लोग छोड़ दिया। छोड़ के अपना एसोसिएशन बनाया जो सोशल इविल के लिए, एजुकेशन के लिए, डाउन टूवर्ड्स जो पॉवर्टी लेवल में जो आदमी लोग हैं उसको हेल्थ इश्यूज के लिए, हेल्थ मतलब फिजिकल एंड मेंटल हेल्थ, मैं बारे में बोल रहा हूँ। एंड ये हम लोग को काम है। हम लोग एनवायरनमेंट में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा, देखो एनवायरनमेंट तो सिर्फ रास्ता, जंगल, पेड़ लगाना नहीं है, ह्यूमन एटीट्यूड भी एनवायरनमेंट में आता है।
यस।
तो हम लोग उसके बारे में ही काम करते हैं। लास्ट ईयर कोविड पैंडेमिक का पहले हम लोग पहले वाला सेशन में हम लोग 4000 अबव प्लांटेशन किया था इन आसनसोल सब डिविजन। साथ में बहुत सारे स्कूल में, मोहल्ला में छोटा छोटा ग्रुप मीटिंग करके, ग्रुप डिस्कशंस करके
Asansol Nand Bihari Yadav, State General Secretary and Senior Advocate of Rashtriya Janata Dal, West Bengal Unit, while reacting to the passing of the proposed budget for the year 2021 by the central government, has strongly criticized this budget is a misleading budget because the smooth stupid of the Modi government sitting at the center, which is a self-reliant word. Now hear some word from this man.
केंद्रीय की तरफ से आज जो बजट पास हुआ है, तो आप तो आरजेडी के नेता हैं, आपका क्या प्रतिक्रिया है इस पे?
देखिए, केंद्र की जो मोदी सरकार है, जो आज बजट पास किया है, यह बजट पूरी तरह से आत्मनिर्भर भारत के नाम पर भारत को बेचने का बजट है। ये क्योंकि जिस तरह से सेल किया जाता है, सामान बिक्री होता है बाजार में, इसी तरह से यह देश बेचने वाला बजट है। मोदी सरकार इस बजट के माध्यम से जो पब्लिक सेक्टर की जो भी संपदा है, जो भी इंस्टीट्यूशंस है, जो भी संस्थान है, इसने रेल बेच दिया, हवाई बेच दिया, सड़क बेच दिया, इसने कल कारखाने बेच दिया, और इसके आड़ में केवल एक बात बोलती है, आत्मनिर्भर भारत। और आत्मनिर्भर भारत के नाम पर देश के नौजवानों को यह पकौड़ा बेचवाना चाहती है कि वह पकौड़ा बेचे। सारे पब्लिक सेक्टर को खत्म करके अडानी, अंबानी और गुजराती कॉरपोरेटरों को नीलामी के रूप में बेचना चाहती है। यही इनका बजट का मुख्य आशय है। इस बजट में कोई भी ऐसी बात नहीं है, कोई भी ऐसा कर या टैक्सेशन का प्रावधान नहीं है कि जिससे देश के गरीबों को, 130 करोड़ जनता को इसे लाभ।
Wasim Khan from Asansol boat capsize. Old man of Asansol dies. Subodh Granto, 64, a resident of Lower Cheridangal, Asansol in Jharkhali of South 24 Pargana, 24 Pargana, drowned in a river. He was accompanied by his family eldest son Francisco Gaetano, S.B. Gaetano. According to local sources, they somehow managed to escape the water. Total of 160 application for trade license renewal distributed in the premises of Raniganj Chamber of Commerce. This was a huge success when our trades are getting such relief for renewal of their license at home environment with the such easy system. It has been reported that there is a necessity for each trade to display their sign board in Bengali language also, so it has been advised to put print one's business name in Bangla at old display board or make proper arrangement. Raniganj Chamber of Commerce is organizing a camp for calibration and certification of weight and measurement equipments by Legal Metrology Department of Government of West Bengal. All are requested to take advantage of this very useful and important camp from 2nd February 2021 to 5 February 2021 and from 8 February 2021 to 11 February 2021. Timing 10:30 a.m. to 4 p.m. at the premises of Nandlal Jalan Shiksha Southern School beside Raniganj Chamber of Commerce. Organizing Jayanti function of Mahakavi Jayaprakash Prasad under the assumption of Department of Official Language Asansol Mandal. Operation of more special train in different direction for conveyance of passenger 5 and fully reserved special train will be run on different routes. These special train will run between Kolkata and Udaipur city, Kolkata and Sitamarhi, Asansol and CST Mumbai, Manda and Digha, and between Malda and Surat. Asansol, February 1, a father was killed a head-on collision between two vehicles on National Highway 60. Three more, including the injured girl. Among the injured are the driver of a vehicle and the abductee. The tragic incident took place on Monday morning near Baba Hotel near Kunusturia junction of Punjabi Junction outpost of Raniganj police station in Asansol. The deceased was identified as Siddharth Ghosh, age 60. Let's hear SMS from the news movement. To make difference in someone's life, you don't have to be brilliant, rich, beautiful or perfect. You just have to care. Mandy Hell.